still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice way. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah.
Test, check. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Halo guys, ketemu lagi. Hari ini saya mau modif dikit-dikit nih, upgrade mobil Fortuner baru nih, warna putih. Jadi orangnya mau kasih peredam. Ini udah mulai dibongkar, saya belum sempat pembukaan di awal, jadi udah keburu dibongkar. Ini dikasih peredam, terus ada pasang audio, sama kita pakein apa yang dalam dam? Oh iya, ambient light. Tawan dia kayaknya. Ya, kita pasangin ambient light dan yang tadi yang saya sebutin. Nanti lihat ya hasilnya seperti apa dan pekerjaannya seperti apa. Bye bye.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots, all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop up.
Guys, jadi mobil putih ini udah beres, Fortuner. Pemasangannya adalah peredam full screening atas bawah, sama samping sama belakang. Terus beliau pakai ambience light yang kita nih guys, ambience yang premium punya ya. Jadi nanti kita kasih video video covernya ada di akhir nih. Begitu apa gitu?
Audio, pasang audionya yang simple, yang di bawah 10 juta. Jadi buat sehari-hari lah ya. Jadi ambience light ini jadi bisa kita pasangin di sini 1, 2, terus di 4 pintu. Nanti ada lagi video yang benernya di 4 pintu di bawah apa dashboard 1, 2. Dan kemudian di dekat door strip sini ada di bias sininya, ada di dalam sini ada biasnya dikit gitu. Di bawah bangku ini 2 juga ada, jadi berapa titik tuh? 1, 2 tambah 4 pintu 4 pintunya ada 22, jadi 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. Ada 14 titik kita pakein di sini. Ya. Pokoknya semua udah beres, audionya juga buat sehari-hari udah mantep lah. Jadi nggak terlalu mahal, tapi lumayan lah pokoknya buat sehari-hari. Oke. Jadi kalau misalkan ada yang mau ditanyain atau mau tanya sama konten-konten kita, bisa di Instagram, di YouTube juga boleh, WhatsApp, masuk ke Instagram kita aja di Richz Design, ntar DM saya atau ada nomor WhatsAppnya kan, semua ada nih di videonya. Oke, sampai ketemu di kesempatan, bye bye.
Bubbles we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I'll go to the bar and I shut it down. Get off my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty your 10, the rubber band, come on for the 100 pound. All of the talk, but don't run a mouth. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. All I really wanna know, when we leaving. All I really need to know is when we leaving. And you too.